2-in-1 multifunction. The face massager kit is magical with 2 types of massaging devices. One is a 3D roller face massager. The other is T-shaped electronic energy massaging device. Enjoy your skincare time with them. New Technique 3D Roller Electronic Sonic Energy Massaging Device is so wonderful with a surface diamond grade cut, small diamond shape and unique 3D V-type design to fit the whole body tightening curve. The T-shaped head is designed for 6,000 vibrations per minute and is good at tightening your skin. Daily use of the massage device will make your face and skin look healthier and younger, reducing wrinkles and removing dark circles. Moreover, it will increase your skin's metabolism through stimulating your blood circulation and resulting in an instant face lift. Also, it can combine with your skincare products and promote better absorption. You can enjoy it while showering due to the special 360-degree waterproof design. Moreover, the T-shape and 3D roller massage allows you to use the product on any part of your body from the angle that you prefer. What's more, you can use the electric massager whenever and wherever because of its portable design, and included is a delicate storage bag. It only requires one AA battery, which is not included, the electric power-driven, stable performance, good circulation, besides manual control twist on and off, and some brands are rechargeable with the AA battery, which is oversized. If you could not put the battery into the device, please change another brand of AA battery. Before shipping, we have checked all the devices one by one. However, if you receive a defective device due to some devices being damaged during transport, suffering impact, if you receive such device, don't worry, just contact us and we will provide you your customer service 90 days free refund or a free replacement after the after-sale service.
The benefits of microdermabrasion are promoting the collagen and elastin in your face. So it gives your skin that firmness and structure that we all want, keeps your skin looking younger. I've been using the Personal Microderm for about 5 years now, and I am loving it. It has made my skin so smooth. I feel like my fine lines and wrinkles are pretty much gone. The darker spots on my skin are pretty much gone. I have a lot fewer blemishes as well. I use my Personal Microderm once a week, and it takes me about 5 minutes, and it's super fast, super easy, super convenient. There's really not much difference between an in-office microdermabrasion and the Personal Microderm. You're really going to get the same benefits whether you go to somebody and pay lots more money versus doing it at home once a week. Being a master esthetician, it's kind of ironic. I really don't do a lot of treatments on myself in a spa setting. So really at home, using my Personal Microderm once a week is it. And my skincare, that's it.
The Skin Gym Jade Eye Flowies are a handcrafted and polished massage tool that we use to relax facial tension all over the face and the eyes. I love to store mine in the freezer just a few minutes before use for an extra cooling effect. Just slip the Flowies between your first and middle finger and start in the corners of your eyes, working upward and outward towards your hairline. Repeat this step 3 to 6 times before moving on to right between your brows. From here, you're going to go across your brow line towards your hairline. Once you've done that 3 to 6 times, start in between your brows and work upwards, alternating your hands.
Cleanse with an oil-free cleanser, removing any makeup, impurities, and oil. And then go ahead and apply your gel primer. So you want a good mask-like layer. Apply it directly to the area that you're going to be lifting. And I always start with my neck. Turn your device on. I always like to lift on high, but you can adjust your intensity. You want to start at the collar of the neck. Slowly glide towards the back of the neck. Take a step up. And then right underneath that jawline, really contouring that jawline, lifting towards the back of the neck. Now apply more gel to the cheek area. Starting on the nasolabial fold, slowly glide to the lobe of the ear. Taking a step up, slowly glide towards the middle of the ear, and then one more skirting that orbital rim up to the top of the ear. After applying gel on the forehead, you're going to start at the thick of the brow and lift up, the arch of the brow, and then the end of the brow, always lifting towards the hairline. So I finished lifting half of my face. Look at the pop of my cheekbone compared to here. Look at the corner of my lip compared to here. Now let's go ahead and lift the other side. Always lift just half the face first so you can really see the results. Always glide slowly and always glide in an upward motion. So in 5 minutes, you just lifted your face. Tap in the remaining gel primer to enjoy those skincare benefits. And remember the new Face Fix to instantly smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It's the perfect finishing step to any new face facial.